Hello everyone, it's Vicki Sykes with Bella Casa by Vicki Sykes, where beauty and style live. Today we have another video for you. We're going to be showing you how to do a grapevine wreath. But before we get started, go ahead and turn on your notification button, and also go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, let's get started. Here are the products that I used. I picked up a sign that will be the center of my wreath. You can choose something else that you like to put there, another sign with something different on it, but I picked a verse. I also have the grapevine wreath. I have a garland, flower garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and some other florals that I already had. Also, you're going to need a hot glue gun as well. The first thing I did was I wanted to attach the sign to the wreath and make it secure. So I did that by kind of sticking it deep within the grapevine, but I put glue on the corners of it to ensure that it would stay. I didn't want it to fly off if it was windy outside, because this is going to be an outdoor wreath. Okay, so the sign is attached to the wreath. It has dried and is secure. So now I am adding the floral garland all the way around the wreath, and I also added some glue to make sure that it would stay in place. I just wanted to say you're also going to need a pair of snippers. I forgot to add that in the beginning of the video, but you will need a pair of snippers to cut your florals. So I have just attached the last end of my garland, and that is done and complete around the entire wreath. It already looks really nice now, but I just wanted to add a few more stems of flowers to give it a little more fuller and complete look, a little more color than just the yellow that is on the wreath. Now I'm going to add the stems that I already had. I had a bunch, and so I just snipped them off. I'm adding some glue to the end, and I'm just strategically placing them throughout the wreath, as you can see. As you can see, we are complete. I've added the stems to the yellow garland, and I think it looks really nice. I actually made 2 of these wreaths, and you will see that I added them to the doors of my church, and I think they look great. Here they are. Again, they are complete, as I stated before, and they're on the front of the church, and they look really, really nice. I hope you try this project. It's really easy, It's not a lot of products that you need to complete it, but it gives you a great look. So again, thanks for stopping by Bella Costa by Vicki Sykes. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification button, and come back again as we will be doing more and more videos, DIY, trips, and so much more. Have a fabulous day.